Hello everyone, welcome to our video. First like and subscribe our channel. Certainly. Here is a lengthy text about wood art ideas, focusing on wood trees and small projects. It's written continuously without headings or full stops as requested. Wood art has an extensive range of possibilities, especially when it comes to crafting trees and small projects. One popular idea is creating intricate wooden tree sculptures that capture the essence of nature's beauty. These sculptures can be designed to showcase detailed bark textures and realistic leaf patterns, which can be achieved through careful carving and the use of different wood grains. Another option is to craft miniature wooden trees that can serve as decorative pieces for desks or shelves. These can be made using various techniques such as wood burning to add texture and detail, or by combining different wood types to create a contrasting effect. For those interested in functional art, wooden tree-themed coat racks or wall hooks can be a unique addition to any home. These pieces not only serve a practical purpose but also add an artistic touch to the decor. Small wooden trinket boxes shaped like trees are also a charming project, offering a blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. They can be adorned with hand-painted details or carvings to enhance their visual interest. Another idea is to create wooden tree ornaments, which can be customized for different seasons or occasions. These can be crafted with simple shapes or more elaborate designs depending on skill level and preference. For a more rustic approach, creating a wooden tree mural or wall art using reclaimed wood can add character and a touch of nature to any space. Combining various types of wood with different finishes can provide a layered look that is both unique and eye-catching. Additionally, making wooden tree planters can be a practical and attractive way to display plants. These can be designed in various sizes and shapes to fit different types of plants and can be enhanced with carvings or paint. Wooden tree puzzles or games for children are also a great small project idea, offering both fun and a learning experience. These can be crafted with colorful paints or natural wood finishes and can feature interlocking pieces that challenge motor skills and problem-solving abilities. For those interested in home decor, wooden tree wall decals or cutouts can be an easy way to add a touch of nature to any room. These can be customized in size and design to fit different spaces and can be painted or left in their natural state. Another creative project is to make a wooden tree jewelry holder, which can be designed to hold necklaces, earrings, and bracelets in a stylish and organized manner. These can be shaped like tree branches or leaves and can be decorated with paint or wood stains. Wooden tree bookmarks are a small yet practical project that can make reading a more enjoyable experience. These can be carved with intricate designs or left with a simple, natural finish. Finally, creating wooden tree coasters can be a functional and decorative addition to any coffee table. These can be made from slices of wood with various finishes or carvings, and they can be personalized with initials or designs to make them unique. Each of these ideas can be adapted and customized based on personal preferences and skill levels, allowing for a wide range of creative expression and functional art in the realm of wood crafting. Creating perfect furniture with scrap wood art involves a blend of creativity and practicality. The process begins with selecting various pieces of scrap wood, each with its unique texture and character. These scraps can include offcuts from larger projects, old furniture parts, or discarded wooden items. The first step is to sort the wood by type, size, and condition. This helps in planning the design and ensuring that the pieces will fit together harmoniously. Once sorted, the wood is cleaned and any old finishes or nails are removed. Next, a design plan is developed, considering the dimensions and function of the furniture piece. For instance, creating a rustic coffee table might involve using larger planks and incorporating unique grain patterns, while a smaller bookshelf might require more precise cuts and fittings. After the design is finalized, the wood pieces are cut to the required sizes. Accurate measurements are crucial to ensure that the final piece is sturdy and well constructed. The edges are then smoothed out to prevent splinters and ensure a clean finish. The assembly process begins with joining the pieces together. This can be done using screws, nails, or wood glue, depending on the desired strength and style. For a more decorative approach, the joints can be reinforced with wooden dowels or metal brackets, which can add an industrial touch to the furniture. Once assembled, the furniture piece is sanded to achieve a smooth surface. Sanding is essential to remove any rough spots and prepare the wood for finishing. After sanding, the piece is stained or painted according to the design preference. Stains can enhance the natural beauty of the wood, while paint can offer a more vibrant or modern look. Applying a sealant or varnish provides protection against wear and tear, ensuring that the furniture will last for years. Details such as handles, knobs, or legs can be added to complete the piece. These can be sourced from other old furniture or purchased separately. For a cohesive look, it's important to match these details with the overall design and finish of the furniture. Incorporating elements like carving or inlay work can further enhance the artistic aspect of the furniture. Carvings can add intricate